How are you doing? Welcome back to the channels. It's a bit early, not going to lie to you, but I'm back with my gooses. I haven't been here for a couple of weeks actually because I've been busy, been decorating, etc. But the old dear's not well, so I'm looking after her for a couple of days. So I thought I'd see if I could change their morning routine with some fruit. I've just been to Asda over there. And I bought them some little bags of fruit. So this is what they're having this morning. And hope they'll go for it. We'll see. Alright, so that's what I've got. And it's little bags of fruit. Muesli and nuts. Super healthy for anybody, essentially. I would have thought. So let's see how they get on. They're starting to get interested. Hello. Alright then. Hey, that's his bit of apple. Calm down. Right, we're getting down to, we've only got 4 bags left. Alright, let's try a few more. Right, they're all going mental. So I put down a bit of muesli as well, and it's got like raisins and stuff in it. So it's a decent breakfast. Come on now. Look at these beautiful creatures. Wonderful. Everyone's getting stuck into the muesli. And over there, oh sorry guys, over there they're still getting stuck into the fruit. What's all that about? Charlatans. Don't know where these guys are going. Let's go and follow them. I think I might get in line. Go on then, carry on. I'm just going to be one of the gooses. Where are we going? Okay. This is my favourite duck. I love this guy as well. Beautiful. Hey. What's up with you? Having fun? Yeah, twopence a bag, remember? Twopence a bag. I think I heard that in a film once. So that went quite well, to be perfectly honest. It's difficult because they have, the more I'm learning about these animals, the more, the more you learn essentially. But they have their own routines, a bit like, you know, dogs, a bit like cats. They've got their own routines, they do their own thing. And they've got their own little nuances and weird ways of doing stuff and always arguing all the time. I mean, birds are brutal to each other. They really, really are. They're horrible. Who was that? Is that a moorhen? Let's go and have a look. Well, it wasn't you, was it, mate? Come on now. This mud smells a bit stinky, I'm not going to lie. Absolutely beautiful morning. It's a little bit chilly, but beautiful. What's up with your feather? Your dodgy feather, mate. It needs to be like something done to that. Get down to the barbers. Right, that's me done for now with the gooses. Went quite well, like I said. Quite happy with that. So fruit and muesli with raisins is definitely the way to go. But you've got to come down about 6:40 in the morning, 6:45 in the morning, to get them fed before they start their like morning foraging and then fuck off over there for like a sleep for 3 hours. Yeah, I mean the pigeons are still getting stuck into the old muesli and raisins. That lot over there are still getting stuck into the fruit. Everyone's fed, so it's all good. It is pretty early in the morning. Like I said, it's 6:45. Well, it was 6:45. It's probably about 7:30 now. But anyway, whatever. It worked. Coming down earlier is definitely the way to do it. So I might do that in future, and we'll see how we get on. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.